Hi guys, so today we're going to show you how to make one really simple, delicious one-pot meal called shakshuka. Really simple, nice and easy. If you're staying in a yurt or a shepherd's hut or a small space and you've got gas hobs or even on the fire, this is a delicious simple meal which you can have for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay, so to get started, first we're going to do is we're going to cook up the onions and the garlic. One medium-sized onion, a third of the garlic. I love garlic, so I'm not going to be too fussed about chopping them nice and small. 4 tomatoes per person, and eggs. We're going to poach the eggs and all the tomato juice. For this dish I'm going to use olive oil, onions chopped, garlic chopped. Let's whack them in. Good old Ainsley Harrier, he taught me that. Just a sprinkling of sugar over top. So I'm just going to leave that there now. I'm going to leave that sugar sort of get all juicy in with your onions and sort of heat up, and that'll sort of do the caramelizey little bit. Traditionally, the next thing to do now would be your tomatoes, but we're not going to put the tomatoes in just yet because in my flair on the shakshuka, we're also going to put in broccoli. Because this broccoli is so beautiful with its spirals, I'm actually going to try and pick it apart. So we're going to have bigger lumps of it. We're going to leave that cook away now for 2-3 minutes maybe. Let's pop the tomatoes in. We really want these tomatoes to break down, and that's going to give us the liquid then to poach the eggs in. This dish really does like salt and pepper, so I'm going to put 2 pinches in and a sprinkle for luck. Juicing it down is going to take you about 5-10 minutes. You know, get yourself a glass of wine. There's sufficient juice there to begin poaching our eggs. Pop your lid on. It's not a shakshuka unless you're eating it with bread. Nice big chunky bits. True Israeli style. We break bread together. Thank you all. Then we dig in. Perfect.